Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a quick in-depth comparison review about these two email deliverability platform, which is the Mailshake and Warmy. So to get started with a quick overview, Mailshake is a cold email outreach platform designed for sales teams, agencies, and marketers who need to personalize email campaign and follow up. It also focuses on automation, analytics, and integration to help you boost engagement and response rate. On the other side, Warmy is an AI-powered email warm-up and deliverability platform that specializes in improving senders' reputation and inbox placement. Unlike Mailshake, its core strength lies in the automated email warming, deliverability monitoring, and a domain health improvement. So talking about the downside of these two platforms, starting with the Mailshake, it has no native email warm-up tools, which requires a third-party warm-up for solution and can be pricey for small teams, which is the downside of this platform. Talking about the Warmy on the other side, really the downside, it is not an outreach campaign tool, so no sequence or follow-up. It also has it is limited to deliverability focused use cases. So it can be the downside for these two platforms. Then talking about the overall conclusion, you can simply go for Mailshake if your main goal is to run cold email outreach campaign with automation and multiple or multi-channel follow-ups. On the other side, you can just go for Warmy if you need to boost your sender reputation, also improve inbox placement and fix deliverability issues before launching a large campaign. So that's it. Let me know what your takes on these two platforms to help you decide.